Hello again, everybody. Rick Olshak here, VP of Marketing for AB Mauri North America. I'm here in our baking hub facility in St. Louis, Missouri. So you may know AB Mauri, but did you know we make Fleischmann's yeast and hundreds of other bakery ingredients? But I'm here to talk about something really exciting. We're getting ready for IBIE. I'm ready. Are you ready? So AB Mauri has had some fun at Las Vegas before for IBIE. We've created some really interesting executions, from virtual reality to an art gallery on the floor, even a little stroll along Baker Street in the UK. But this time, we're going to transport you someplace else. I'm talking the 1980s. Think of Rubik's Cubes, classic action movies, acid wash jeans, collars that are popped up in the air, punk haircuts, whatever it is, the 80s. And we're going to transport you to a fun generation. Our mascot, John Doe, is going to take center stage as we create a cinematic experience on the floor at the convention center. And by the way, there's a lot more than that going on too. So you want to visit both of our booths, two booths, not one, two booths. The West Hall 1545 is going to be our primary booth. And then we'll also have 5412 in the North Hall. So you want to stop by and talk to our experts about some of our key product introductions, including egg replacement, fat and sugar reduction, along with clean label mold inhibition. So please stop by and see us at either location. But wait, there's more. Our ambassador, Duff Goldman, is going to be back. If you recall, he's been with us for 2 IBIEs. Now let's make it 3. He'll be doing a baking demonstration for egg replacement cake solutions, as well as just kind of a sit down to talk with Duff on stage. But then Duff is bringing his band back. If you recall, Foie Rock played at the Rockin Pint 3 years ago. Well, they're back at it again, but our headline act is going to lead the way Sunday, September 14th at 5 o'clock, Wang Chung. Everybody is going to have fun that night. And then followed by Foie Rock, we'll play a bunch of 80s tunes. It'll be a great way to finish things off. So come see us at IBIE. We're going totally 80s, and I know you're going to have a blast.